I am so excited to share with you today an amazing and fun way to improve your English reading comprehension. Using short stories, we'll explore this through the story of a young lady named Liza, a cheerful and curious girl who lived in a small village surrounded by green hills and colorful flowers. From the very first day of our journey, we will see how reading about Liza's adventures can help young learners like you not only enjoy reading, but also understand English better. When you follow her story, you learn to recognize new words in context. Each sentence becomes a small puzzle that teaches you grammar, sentence structure, and meaning naturally. Let us imagine Liza wakes up one bright morning to the sound of birds singing outside her window. She feels excited because today is the day she has decided to explore the forest near her home. As she puts on her little backpack filled with a sandwich, a notebook, and a pencil, you as a reader can pause and notice the vocabulary. Words like backpack, notebook, pencil, forest, and sandwich are simple but essential for daily conversation. By seeing these words in a story about Liza, your brain begins to remember them better because stories connect words to actions, emotions, and events, rather than just listing them on a page with no context. As Liza steps outside, the sunshine warms her face, and she hears the rustling of leaves under her feet. Here, you can also learn descriptive language like rustling, warmth, and sunshine. These words help you imagine the scene more vividly while improving your ability to understand descriptive sentences in English. As she walks deeper into the forest, Liza meets a small rabbit who looks lost and scared. She kneels down to offer it some of her sandwich. This moment teaches empathy and kindness, while also introducing you to verbs like kneel, offer, and adjectives like lost and scared, which enrich your vocabulary in a meaningful way. As the story unfolds, Liza continues her adventure, climbing a small hill and discovering a hidden stream where the water sparkles like tiny diamonds. Each sentence can be used as a learning opportunity. You can practice reading aloud, identify the nouns, verbs, and adjectives, and even try to make your own sentences using the same words. When Liza writes in her notebook about the things she sees, such as colorful birds, buzzing bees, and fluttering butterflies, young learners can follow along. You'll notice the pattern of writing about experiences, which helps improve comprehension and encourages creative thinking. The story continues as Liza encounters a little challenge, a fallen branch blocking the path. She must figure out how to move it to continue her journey. This introduces problem-solving language and phrases like how to, figure out, and continue. As she succeeds, you can celebrate her small victories while noticing words and expressions related to success and achievement. Throughout the story, you can pause after each paragraph to ask questions like, "What did Liza do next?" Or "How do you think Liza felt?" This actively engages you in comprehension and critical thinking. By repeating this with multiple short stories, each focusing on a different adventure Liza faces, you gradually build a strong understanding of sentence structure, context clues, and story flow. You also learn to predict what might happen next, which is a key skill in reading comprehension. As Liza meets new friends along the way, such as a wise old turtle, a playful squirrel, and a singing bird, you learn social and conversational English naturally. The dialogues between characters are full of simple, everyday phrases that are easy to remember and use in your own speaking. By imitating these dialogues, practicing pronunciation, and even acting out the scenes, young learners can improve both reading and speaking skills simultaneously. When Liza faces a moment of fear during a sudden rainstorm, hiding under a big leaf, you can learn words and phrases related to weather, emotions, and safety. You can also see how sentences are formed to express feelings like fear, excitement, or curiosity. By connecting these words to Liza's experiences, comprehension becomes easier and more meaningful. When the storm ends, Liza notices a beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky. You can discuss colors, shapes, and expressions of wonder, which further enhances descriptive vocabulary. The story continues with small adventures such as helping a lost kitten, finding a hidden treasure of wildflowers, and writing a letter to her grandmother, describing her day. Each of these episodes provides opportunities for readers to identify key words, infer meaning from context, and make predictions about what will happen next. By reading short stories like Liza's regularly, you create a habit of reading in English. Your mind becomes familiar with sentence patterns, common phrases, and everyday vocabulary. When you combine reading with listening to audio versions of the story, you improve pronunciation, intonation, and listening comprehension at the same time. The story's repetitive and predictable structure helps you gain confidence. As you read about Liza navigating challenges, meeting friends, and enjoying the little joys in life, you realize that learning English doesn't have to be boring or stressful. It can be a fun adventure where every new word is a stepping stone to understanding. As you imagine Liza laughing with her friends, drawing pictures of the animals she meets, and reflecting in her notebook about what she learned, you engage multiple senses: visual, auditory, and emotional, which strengthens memory and comprehension. After finishing the story, you can summarize the events, retell them in your own words, and even create your own version of the story. This not only reinforces what you learned, but also boosts creativity, writing, and speaking skills. By following this method regularly, using short, engaging stories like Liza's for young learners, you improve reading comprehension, naturally gain confidence in English, expand your vocabulary, and develop a love for learning through stories that are exciting, relatable, and full of life lessons. This approach makes English learning interactive and enjoyable because each time you read, imagine, listen, or speak about the adventures of Liza, your brain makes new connections. You can see improvement in understanding longer texts, expressing ideas clearly, and enjoying reading for pleasure. As you continue this journey with more short stories, perhaps adding moral lessons, cultural insights, and interactive questions, you create a rich, immersive environment where learning English is no longer a chore, but a delightful exploration of language. imagination, and communication. So, by using the story of young Liza and other short stories, young learners can gradually and effectively build their reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar understanding, and overall confidence in English. This makes each reading session a small but powerful step toward fluency, while also developing empathy, curiosity, problem-solving skills, and a lifelong love for stories. Every page turned, every word understood, and every sentence read brings not just knowledge, but also joy, engagement, and the excitement of discovering a world beyond your own. Just like Liza discovers the forest, the animals, the wonders of nature, and the beauty of writing and sharing experiences. This demonstrates clearly that reading short stories is one of the most effective, fun, and inspiring ways for young learners to improve English comprehension while cultivating imagination, curiosity, and a deep connection to the language and the world around them. So, whether you read, listen, write, or discuss Liza's adventures, every small action contributes to stronger comprehension, greater vocabulary, better speaking skills, and a lifelong habit of learning through stories. This is exactly why short stories like Liza's are an invaluable tool for anyone looking to grow in English in a fun, meaningful, and memorable way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.